Hey guys, Microraystar here, and today I'm going to do a Model 2 siren test after restoration. It just got restored, and I'm going to do a 120 volt test. Just got a outlet hooked up to it, or a plug, right there as you can see. And I'm using this outlet right here as a contactor. This outlet right here is connected to this big strip of outlets. So, yeah. So I'm going to plug this part into there. And here we go. And there is the first little run-up, and here's the growl. And I'm going to do one cycle of attack. 2 cycles. And that is the rest of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.